Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. I know it's been a little while since I've given you an update on our friend Barb. You know Barb from the channel Take Control Beauty. And there's just been a lot going on in my own house. For those of you that watch me, you know that my husband passed away 2 months ago yesterday, and I'm heartbroken. It's hard for me to talk about it because I will start crying, but you know, I've had a lot going on in the last few months, and he was sick before that, and he was my everything. So I'm having a tough time. I'm in the grieving process, and I'm going on some online bereavement classes, and we'll see how it goes. He had hospice, and they have contacted me because they offer help to you. So I think I am also going to give them a call, because one day I think I'm okay, and the next day I'm crying all day long, and they say that's normal. So anyway, that's why I haven't been around to give you updates as much as I'd like to. But this video today is not about me, it's about Barb. So you remember last year, it was over a year, we started a GoFundMe for Barb, and we reached our goal, and she is so thankful because she would have had more problems to deal with than she already does, and that extra money really helped her out. So thank you everyone who donated. And now an update on Barb. I haven't talked to her as much as I normally do because she's been in severe pain, but I did have a conversation with her daughter this morning. So I will let you know what I know. Right now, Barb is in the hospital. She's been in the hospital for a week already. And let me backtrack a little bit. She started having severe problems with her jaw. And the pain in her jaw was awful. And I think she may have had a tooth with an abscess that was removed, and they thought it had something to do with that, but it doesn't seem so. So she has been to dentists, and I believe she's been to specialists and everything to try to find out what they can do for this pain, terrible pain she's had in her jaw. And she said, picture a toothache and then multiply it by like 1,000. And that's what this jaw pain has felt like. So, so she's been dealing with that. Also, I don't know the reason for it. I'm not a doctor, but I know Barb, periodically her lung fills up. And then she has to go into the hospital and they drain her lung. Well, this happened recently. I guess it was a little over a week ago. She went in to have her lung drained and came home, and then she told her family something just doesn't seem right here. And they took her back to the hospital. I think they took her to the emergency room. I don't know if I have all my my timelines right, but I'll let you know what I know. And they admitted her to the hospital. They found out that she had a collapsed lung. Apparently, when they went to drain the fluid from her lung, somehow they punctured the lung and the lung collapsed. So Barb has been in the hospital for a week now. You know, she's on a lot of medications for so many things because, you know, the breast cancer metastasized her spine. So she has a lot of issues, you know, with the spine. She had a scan done not too long ago, and the scan, her daughter told me, came out very well. I don't think it showed any new movement of the cancer, and she was happy about that. But she's been very, very tired, and I said to her, Barb, maybe it's the medicine you're on. She's in a lot of pain, and when you take pain medicine, it makes you tired. I know with my husband, especially as time went on, he needed stronger pain medication, and it would put him to sleep. So anyway, I think her daughter Gina said something to me about, I don't know if she's been having, getting a little delirious or what. So they want to do, I believe it's maybe an MRI on her brain, just to make sure that there is no cancer that spread to her brain. So that's about all I can tell you now. And this jaw pain has been going on for a long time. I mean, imagine being in that kind of pain every day. Unbelievable. And what their real concern is now is Barb, I think, started out, I don't know, maybe at around 160 pounds. Well, now she's down to 120. So the family's very concerned about that, because that's 40 pounds is a lot of weight to lose. And she just doesn't have an appetite, and she doesn't want to eat. And the family's done, I think, like an intervention, and they said to her, you have to eat. So she forces herself to eat a little bit, probably to make them happy, but she said she just can't eat. And I know the situation is completely different, but that's what happened to my husband. He couldn't eat, and he was losing so much weight. But he had pancreatic cancer, and it traveled to his liver. So it got to a point where he lost so much weight, he looked like a skeleton. It was terrible. So her family's saying to her, Barb, you have to eat. So I did get a message from her this morning. She's still in the hospital. She said she just was able to take a shower, and she's feeling a little bit better, but she's still in pain, and she still doesn't have an appetite. So I really don't know how long she's going to be there. I mean, this is the weekend, and they don't do a whole lot on the weekend, so I'm imagining she'll probably have tests this week, and then they'll see if there's something else going on. But for those of you that have been asking me for an update, she's not really feeling or doing that well. I mean, she's in pain all the time, and you know what that must be like. I mean, there's nothing worse than pain. And then, she can't eat, and she's tired, she sleeps all the time, and she's miserable. And I think about a month ago, she was able to put a video up, like how she's dealing with her cancer, but I think she hasn't put one up since then. And she just gets very, very tired. She's been sometimes like, we'll message each other, and then I don't get an answer from her, and I'm like, Barb, where are you? And sometimes she'll fall asleep right in the middle of, writing the message. So she's going through a really tough time. So that's about the only update I can give you right now. She is in the hospital. They're doing more tests on her. Family's trying to push her to eat more. They don't know what is causing this jaw pain. It may have been from the medication, the cancer medication she was on for her bones, and that may have affected her jawbone, and it may have spread to that. And they can't take a piece of bone from another part of your body and put it in there, because then that may have cancer, and then you're putting the bone with the cancer in your jaw. So I'm not a doctor. I don't know how they're going to handle any of that. But I just wanted to come on here, and Barb knows I'm doing this, because she said to me, her subscribers, you mean so much to her. She just loves you all so much. She is so, so grateful for anybody that was able to do anything with the GoFundMe, and even if you weren't, all the prayers and everything and messages meant a lot to her. So if I hear any more from Barb or her daughter, I'll come on real quick and I'll let you know. But for now, keep the prayers coming. And if you have any left over, save some for me, because I could use them too. I met my husband when I was 15, and we were high school sweethearts and married 56 years. And I am lost without him. I just miss him so much. But I said I wasn't going to talk about him because I start crying. And there's just been a lot going on. So anyway, I want to thank you all for listening. I hope this little update is helpful. At least you know what's going on with Barb. She loves you all. She sends her love. And if there's anything new and I'm aware of it, I'll come on with another video. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe and the little bell. This way you'll just get a notification if and when I do put another video up. I always get very excited about doing my baking videos for the holidays, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes, because my heart's not really in it right now. I have my little eyelash shirt on, and it says, "Hello, gorgeous." I got it from Temu a while ago, and I didn't even plan on doing this video today, so I just threw it on. But anyway, I love you all. For those that support my channel, thank you so much. And thank you for all the support and the love you give to Barb. She's really a great person. Her channel was doing so good, and unfortunately, she even had a video go viral, and then right after that, she got diagnosed and wasn't able to do very much. But we all love her. We all wish her well. I love you all, and I hope I will see you again soon. Toodles.
You've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.